This is a bundle of freshly harvested wicks. Without any hesitation, the master will put them all into a mud pool. After fully soaking in the mud, the wicks will then be pulled out and placed in a dry place for drying. While using mud to dry the mud, the wicks will turn green and yellow. This state is the best time to make a gradually lost object. This object will be used in every family in the summer when I was a child. Before making it, the master first puts the wicks on a vibrator to shake off the mud on it. The function of the mud is to be able to absorb impurities and dust on the surface of the material well. Then the master aligned the treated wick grass, put on tools, and cut off the rough part of the root, and the broken grass inside also needs to be cleaned and removed to prevent the finished product from breaking due to different lengths. Under his skillful operation, after sorting the wick grass evenly, the materials are ready, and the real production has just begun. Then the master put them on a knitting machine, weaving together one by one with a row of hemp ropes. As the area of weaving gradually increases, a huge straw mat is finally formed. With this straw mat, it is only the first step in the whole production. After clearing the weeds above and making the surface flat and smooth, the master below needs to use a pile of dry straw to make another important structure of this object. So seeing this, have you guessed what the master is making? Such a wonderful picture, I really want to drive to the scene to see. So I bought a BMW and Guazi used car, and it only cost $66,000. Guazi. Each car has official testing, no major accidents, fires, soaking in water, and the car has 20,000 kilometers of quality assurance. Buy a used car, Guazi is guaranteed. This step is to strongly compress the straw through the equipment. After setting, it is cut into thick rectangular straw mats according to the required size. With these straw mats, the master can then fix the bead on the edge of a circle and cut and remove the excess part against the outside of the bead. In order to prevent the cut straw mat from falling apart and deforming, the master also needs to use needle and thread to wrap and fix the edge through the holes on the bead, so as to lay a solid foundation for the subsequent production. This operation seems simple, but it is actually quite comfortable to decompress, which is suitable for this matter. If the left foot is placed on the right foot, all the sewing and winding are completed under his skilled craftsmanship. So far, everything is ready, and the final and most important scene is to lay the previous grass tiled and fixed on the grass hall. So when you see here, you should be able to see what the master made. Yes, this is a stacking wash. In order to make the surface of the paving smooth and docile, the master first fixed the grass with iron cones at both ends, and cut out 2 elastic bandages according to the length of the straw mat on the side, pressing one against the other and drawing the suture on the outermost one. After the suture, the master began to sew the bandage with the grass tin and straw mat with a needle and thread, and sewed all the left and right sides in this way with nearly equal suture spacing. After the bandage is turned over and wrapped on the side of the straw mat, and a layer of straw is placed on the bottom to continue the secondary suture so that the entire dish mat is more durable and beautiful. In this way, under the master's skilled craftsmanship, all the sewing is completed, and this dish mat made with traditional craftsmanship is all completed. I have to admire the master's exquisite craftsmanship and brilliant creativity. So how much can you give him for such craftsmanship?